Coffee guy, continuing my review reaction to the first album by Carpetman, Struggling by Myself. Forgot it, the last song. Sorry, I'm looking at it now. Um, this song, Life Without a System, from what I glanced at, it's kind of a personal introspective. Let's find out. Here we go.
How many times this day have you approached yourself again? Are you not tired of these freaking games? Damn, you bother me. I cannot say this no more. No, I don't know what you're waiting for, 'cause I don't feel anything anymore. Oh, here, everybody's feeling freedom, and we live without a system, 'cause we fight through wisdom. So welcome to my kingdom. Oh, here, every door is open, but the bridge is still broken, and everything golden. So our mind is a wonder. Here, everybody's feeling freedom, and we live without a system, 'cause we fight through wisdom. So welcome to my kingdom. Oh, here, every door is open, but the bridge is still broken, and everything golden. So our mind
Did I say Life Without a System? I might have. I do that sometimes.
is a wonder. Everything happens on its own. Like it's all part of the show. And I don't need to play around. What is it for? 'Cause it's coming from myself. I'm not a fighter, and I'm not a lover. You might ask how so. I just don't give a damn what they say no more. Still many hidden doors in my mind to explore. There's no rules as you have written. It always catches me when I fall. Devil mystery that I found. I've been blind for too long. Oh, here, everybody's feeling freedom, and we live without a system, 'cause we fly through wisdom. Oh, here, every door is open, but the bridge is still broken, and everything golden. So our mind is a wonder. Here, everybody's feeling freedom, and we live without a system, 'cause we fight through wisdom. So welcome to my kingdom. Oh, here, every door is open, but the bridge is still broken, and everything golden. So our mind is a wonder. Everybody's feeling freedom, and we live without a system, 'cause we fight through wisdom. So welcome to my kingdom. Every door is open, but the bridge is still broken, and everything golden. So our mind is a wonder.
So, that was a little different. More chorus behind them, more even for him because he usually does his ups and downs. So he's saying something I can relate to. I have rules, but they're my rules, so I could just change them if I want. So I guess that means there's no rules. All good. Very relaxing. He does that to you. He usually doesn't get you like hyped up. He gets you like mellow, like you've been doing stuff, but that's a different subject. Okay, very nice.